Good day, everyone. I am Laika Ditiranya, an animal science student, section D. Today, we're going to identify the muscle part of the duck. This is the coronation position of the duck. But first, we need to wear proper equipment such as gloves, mask, goggles, and scrub suit to avoid any injuries, damage, or chemicals that can harm our bodies. So first, this is Scapulos femuralis pedalis, and this is Plastissimus dorsi carinalis, Rhomboideus superficialis, and Propatagialis, Deltoids major, and Deltoids minor, Deltoids major, and Sopracartius, Sopracartius. This is the triceps scapularis, biceps brachii, and this is the supinator, and this is the extensor ventralis alae, abductor alae, adductor alae, and this is in abductor alae, and this is abductor digitorio major, abductor digitorio major, and this is interiorsus dorsalis, ulnaris metarsi dorsalis, flexor carpi ulnaris, and this is flexor digitorium communis, I mean extensor digitorium communis, and this is intersus venteralis, flexor digitorium minor, and this is extensor metacarpi ulnaris, and this is ventralius, and lastly this is pectoralis coraceus.